friends, you may have asked yourself what happens to your body inside while you are sleeping and while your body is lying in an inert state, motionless. Well, let us both take a sneak peek at it and find out for ourselves. You may have wondered at times that while you are sleeping and while your eyes are closed, then your organs inside also must be relaxing and not functioning. Well, the reality is not so, my dear friends. Quite contrary to this, our organs inside are functional and active. And not to say the least, the most important is our brain, which is at its active most during this time, processing and storing information that has been gathered during the daytime and storing it in our memory so that it is helpful to us at a later stage whenever we want to retrieve that information from our memory. We are able to do so. Secondly, during this time, there are a lot of important hormones that are released in our body, and each of them plays an equal and very crucial role. Most important of these is the hormone called melatonin, which helps in regulating our sleep pattern, and it increases during the night time, and which is the time when we feel very drowsy and sleepy. The other important hormones play a vital role in development and repair of our body. Thirdly, there is what is known as sympathetic nervous system within our body, and one of its very crucial role is the reflex action, control of reflex actions within us. It is said that during decreasing duration of sleep, there is a tendency for heart ailments to increase within us. So we really need to give our body that rest that is recommended by the doctors. Number 4, we also talk about the decreasing levels of stress hormones during the night time. And this is the time when our body gets to relax, an opportunity to relax. And these stress hormones, they peak during the daytime. And at this point of time, we are at our active best, very alert and ready for action. Number 5, we talk about REMs, what are called as the rapid eye movements, and NREMs, or the non-rapid eye movements. Both have important part to play. Specifically, we talk about the REMs that help us in remembering our dreams. Lastly, we talk about the immune system within our body, which releases some proteins that are called the cytokines. These are the cytokines which help our body to fight any infection, inflammation, or any trauma that may come across, that may arise because of any injury or any accidental bodily accident. So we see sleep is very important and very essential for repair, redevelopment, and rejuvenation of our body. On an average, a human being requires almost about 6 to 8 hours of uninterrupted, calm and peaceful sleep for it to repair and grow. We may ask ourselves, what if we do not get this requisite number of hours to sleep? What will happen then? Well, we may wake up with feeling very drowsy or may have a headache and simply not able to focus on any work that may be before us. So this is something akin to saying that how food is important for us, same way sleep is also very important for a mental and physical development of our body. So my dear friends, I have made up my mind to have an uninterrupted and fitful sleep tonight. How about you?